Provisions for cancellation of registration, appeals, and registered office of trade unions are discussed in Chapter 2, Registration of Trade Unions, under Section 10, 11, and 12 of the Trade Unions Act 1926. Section 10, Cancellation of Registration, Section 11, Appeals, and Section 12, Registered Office. Section 10, Cancellation of Registration. A certificate of registration of a trade union may be withdrawn or cancelled by the registrar. Clause A. On the application of the trade union to be verified in such manner as may be prescribed. Or Clause B. If the registrar is satisfied that the certificate has been obtained by fraud or mistake, or that the trade union has ceased to exist, or has willfully and after notice from the registrar contravened any provision of this act, or allowed any rule to continue in force which is inconsistent with any such provision, or has rescinded any rule providing for any matter provision for which is required by Section 6, provided that not less than 2 months previous notice in writing specifying the ground on which it is proposed to withdraw or cancel the certificate shall be given by the registrar to the trade union before the certificate is withdrawn or cancelled otherwise than on the application of the trade union. Section 11. Appeals. Subsection 1. Any person aggrieved by any refusal of the registrar to register a trade union, or by the withdrawal or cancellation of a certificate of registration, may, within such period as may be prescribed, appeal. Clause A. Where the head office of the trade union is situated within the limits of a presidency town, to the High Court. Or Clause B of Section 11 subsection 1. Where the head office is situated in any other area, to such court not inferior to the court of an additional or assistant judge of a principal civil court of original jurisdiction, as the appropriate government may appoint in this behalf for that area. Subsection 2, Section 11. The appellate court may dismiss the appeal or pass an order directing the registrar to register the union and to issue a certificate of registration under the provisions of Section 9, or setting aside the order for withdrawal or cancellation of the certificate, as the case may be, and the registrar shall comply with such order. Subsection 3 of Section 11. For the purpose of an appeal under subsection 1, an appellate court shall, so far as may be, follow the same procedure and have the same powers as it follows and has when trying a suit under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, 5 of 1908, and may direct by whom the whole or any part of the cost of the appeal shall be paid, and such cost shall be recovered as if they had been awarded in a suit under the said code. Subsection 4 of Section 11. In the event of the dismissal of an appeal by any court appointed under Clause B of subsection 1, the person aggrieved shall have a right of appeal to the High Court, and the High Court shall, for the purpose of such appeal, have all the powers of an appellate court under subsections 2 and 3, and the provisions of those subsections shall apply accordingly. Section 12. Registered Office. All communications union may be addressed to its registered office. Notices of Notice of any change in the address of the head office shall be given within 14 days of such change to the register in writing, and the change address shall be recorded in the register referred to in section 8. Section 12 provides that all communications and notices to a registered trade union may be addressed to its registered office. Notice of any change in the address of the head office shall be given within 14 days of such change to the register in writing. The change in address shall be recorded in the register referred to in section 8 of the Act.